Paul Graham from Optimal Body Personal Training. Today I'm going to cover 3 exercises to improve your posture. The first one, I'll be using a stability ball. You can use a chair or anything else to sit on. You're going to need a wall. What you're going to do is put your feet against the wall, put your knees against the wall, both your hands on the wall, forehead on your hands. You want to make sure you keep your chin pulled down and in. And then you're going to push your chest out towards the wall in front of you. As you do this, you should feel pressure through the middle and upper back. You're just simply reversing the curve from that slouched over position. You would hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. Common mistakes with this are arching the neck. So if you're pushing forward in the motion and your neck is arching like this, you're not getting the motion where we want. So try to pull your chin down and in as you push your chest out towards the wall, flattening your upper and middle back. The next exercise is called the wall lead. For this, you'll need to fold up a hand towel. Again, you're going to need a wall. You want to put your feet about 1 foot length away from the wall. Start with your hips and upper back on the wall. Put your head against the towel on the wall, and then you're slowly going to lift the hips and the back off the wall, so the only contact point is the head on the towel. You're going to try to get into a straight line that's on a slight angle, staying long through the spine. Common mistakes are letting the neck bend or push forward and breaking that straight line position, or arching too far forward with the round lower back. Make sure you're in a nice straight line. Final exercise is called a Cobra. We'll be doing it in a bent over position. So for this, you want to reach the hips back, put the hands on the knees at first. Your back's probably going to be in a rounded position like this. Try to flatten the back out, getting nice and flat. Then take the hands off of the knees, pull the shoulder blades together, holding this position. You want to feel fatigue through the middle and upper back, keeping a nice straight line through the spine. You want to avoid having the head poking up like this or poking forward like this. Make sure you keep that straight line through the back. Shoulder blades pulling together, feeling all the fatigue through the middle and upper back. So there you have 3 simple exercises. If done consistently, these will make a massive difference in improving your posture.